This is the new Lexus LX600. It's quite nice, but not really. Okay, let's have a look at it. So you have flappy pedals here. You have a lot of buttons on the steering wheel, a digital dash. It's a little smaller than before. You have two sets of LCD screens here. The upper one is for navigation. This one is for multimedia and everything. Plus, you have a lot of buttons here. Climate control, then drive modes, and you have this huge knobs as well. Here near the armrest you have, of course, the phone charging place, buttons for the differential, traction control and everything. Seats overall, yeah, they're very good. It's very comfortable. It's a very nice place to be in. You have the sunroof here as well, but not for the rear passengers, which is a little strange. It's like they were cutting corners. So there are a couple of different trims in this SUV. So this is the Prestige one. There's a Signature, and then there's the Sport model, and then there's the VIP model. So let's have a look at here. You have a lot of space, leg room, and it's pretty spacious. You have a large LCD screens for the rear passengers. So this is a very nice place to be. But if you come to the back end, they've really smoothened everything out. The previous model was very different. It was much more bolder. This one is, everything is very soft, and it's like looking at a mid-size SUV, those which play it safe, which are not very bold or interesting. That's what it looks like now. Here are the headlights. They're slimmer, they're sleeker. The grille usually was made of vertical slats. Now it's just vertical rectangles. And yeah, you have some air intakes on the sides, which add a little more character. So here, this car actually just arrived, and this is the previous model. So compared to that, yeah, the front end looks better, much better. And as for the interior, I preferred the older model. I mean, yeah, this was so much simpler. You have a large LCD screen, everything is there, so much less cluttered, so much simpler, except for the area near the gear stick that still had too many buttons. Anyway, at the back, this is of course exactly like a Land Cruiser. This is like a little SUV model. So which one do you prefer, the bolder one or the softer one? I prefer something a little bit of mix, something a little bolder than this, the new one. I like the new one. It's sleek, but it's not perfect. Okay, the wheels still quite similar, silver looking chrome, and not over designed, so that's fine. So the price range is also very different. So the previous model actually had the top model starting from 500,000 dirhams. This one is, the new one, LX600, is starting from 500,000 dirhams. The sport model costs around 600,000 dirhams. The VIP launch edition, which is also here in the showroom, that is for 660,000 dirhams. So if you want to see more videos of Lexus, just go to the video description. For other videos, just have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I have videos of supercars, hypercars, SUVs, trucks, family cars as well. And thank you so much for watching.